Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy players on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and if you're playing it for the first time, you will be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels. Once you complete these levels, you will be allowed to set up your username and also choose your home team. After doing both of these, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you can access various other settings. Now, if you wish to buy a player for your club, then you can tap on the store button at the bottom right corner, which will show you various different purchases that you can make by using your real currency or the in-game points. Browse underneath the various different categories within featured, recommended, as well as the top events and bestseller. Once you find a pack that you are interested in, you can simply tap on it and you will see what kind of reward you might get. If you see the player that you want within this reward pack, you can simply tap on the displayed amount, and this will take you forward into purchasing the displayed pack along with the player. If you don't already have a payment method, tap on add credit or debit card, and then you can proceed forward with your payment information in order to purchase this player. Once your transaction has been completed and your pack has been purchased, you will get the player associated within the pack that you have selected and bought, and you can then immediately add this player onto your team from the club menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy players on the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.